And the next one is increase percentage and decrease percentage. The problems on increase percentage, how to calculate, and problems on decrease percentage, how to calculate. And first we have to remember two formula here to find out increase percentage and to find out decrease percentage. What those are all? First, increase. Increase means increase is equals to increased value minus original value. So increase means increased value minus original value. How much increased? From that increased value we have to subtract original value. Then increase will come. For example, one soap is 50 rupees. The cost of soap is 50 rupees. Next month it increased to 60 rupees. How much it increased? So increased value. Total 60 rupees minus original value. Last month value 50 rupees. So 60 minus 50, 10 rupees increased. Like that. So increase means increased value minus original value. In that one, percentage of that increase is equals to increase, that means how much increase, by original value into 100. Here we have to remember, in percentage in increase or percentage in decrease, we will calculate on original value only. So increase means increase value minus original value. Percentage in increase is equals to increase by original into 100. Same like that, decrease percentage. To calculate decrease percentage, first of all we want how much decreased. So decreased means reversely to increase. That means original value minus decreased value. Original value minus decreased value. And now percentage in decreased. So how much decreased? So decreased by how much decreased? So decrease or decrease by original value. Decrease by original value into 100. So on these two formulae, some more problems we are going to see. Once again, remember this. To calculate increase percentage, we need increase. How much increase? So how to calculate increase? Increase value minus original value will give how much increase. In that one, percentage, increased percentage is equals to increase by original value into 100. Same as it is for decrease percentage. How much decrease? It means decrease is equals to original value minus decreased value. In percentage in the decrease is equals to decrease by original value into 100. Now one problem on increase percentage. See the problem, understand. Suchan's monthly salary increased from 36,000 to 39,000. Suchan's monthly salary increased from 36 to 39. That means his salary is actually 36,000. It is increased to 39,000. And here the question is find the percentage increase in his salary. Solution. So first we have to find increase. How much increase? Increase means, I told to remember formula. Increase is equals to increased value minus original value. Increased value minus original value. So increased, how much increased it is? To 39,000. Original 36,000. So that is equals to 39,000 minus 36,000 means increase is 3,000. Now percentage in increase. We know that. Percentage increase is equals to increase by original value into 100. That is equals to increase. How much increase here? 3,000 increased by original value is 36,000. Actually its salary is 36,000. That is original value into 100. Now simplification. In numerator 3 zeros, in denominator 3 zeros will get cancelled. Now again 3 ones, 3 12s. What remains here? 1 into 100. That means 100 by 12. Now again with 2 50s, 2 6. What remains now? 50 by 6. Again we can cancel with 2 25s, 2 3s. So what remains here? That is equals to 25 by 3. So 25 by 3 inside work I have to calculate. 25 divide 25 by 3. 3 8s, 24. Remainder is 1. So we got mixed form. 25 by 3 means we can write as 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3. So what is percentage increase? 8 1 by 3%. So his salary increased 3,000, then percentage increase is 8 1 by 3%. And now one more problem on decrease percentage. See one more problem. Now on decrease percentage. Understand the problem. Anil's weight decreased 140 kg to 133 kg. Anil's weight decreased 140 to 133. Question here is find the percentage decrease in his weight. So here first of all we have to find how much decrease. To find percentage decrease we need how much decrease. So we know to calculate decrease formula is decrease is equals to original value minus decreased value. Original value minus decreased value. That means original value is 140 decreased to 133. Original value minus decrease value. So 140 minus 133 means 7. So how much decreased in his weight? 7 kg. Now percentage. Decrease percentage. We know that percentage decrease is equals to decrease by original value into 100. So I told to remember this formula to calculate percentage decrease. What that is? Percentage decrease is equals to decrease by original value into 100. That means decrease. How much decreased? 7 kg by original value. What is original value? 140 into 100. Now cancellation with 7. 7 ones are 7 20s. Numerator and denominator I cancel with 7. Now again, here numerator is 100, here denominator is 20. 1 0, 1 0 will get cancelled. Again 2 ones are 2 5s. Finally what remains? 1 into 5. That means 5. So percentage in decrease 5. Means 5% decreased. So Anil's weight is decreased 140 kg to 133 kg. Then percentage decrease is 5%. Hope you understood today's class. Along with these videos, I will post worksheet, solve the worksheet. Any doubts you may ask, and solve worksheet, send back me before 4 p.m. Have a good day.